5-second prayer. Father in the heavens, I pray that whoever have suicidal thoughts or negative thoughts, I rebuke it in the name of Jesus Christ. Be blessed. Let's get it. After a few dirty rags, it looks okay down there now. That used to be full of oil. This one looks alright, and this one looks full of oil as well. So I'm gonna clean that and then put the new spark plug in. Fun fact, these two right here, that cylinder and that cylinder, barely had any pressure on the spark plug. Like, I thought they used another size spark plug. I was like, man, I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and buy a kit so I can know what size did they use. It was just so loose that it had no resistance, and I took it out that way. These three were tight and this one was tight, but this two was super loose. I don't know how the G ran so well like this. It's a testament how strong these engines are. Excuse me, sir. Why are you blinking? Okay. Well, I didn't record me putting this one on because it was embarrassing. Now I know why the long tubes are harder to connect, because Jesus. And I got locked out. Thankfully, I leave my windows down. Come on, Infiniti. Ready? Ready? So far, no check engine light is running. That's a great success. I have brand new oil in there and I have a full tank, so she's good in every way possible. And that's what I wanted. Goal achieved. Goal achieved. Let me give it a few revs. See how she sounds. There goes the intake. Wow. Can I eat that for breakfast? So we're gonna go out for a little test drive. See how she feels. I have to be honest, I didn't do the throttle body relearn because I'm just too excited. It's running fine. Let me just hit it. It's definitely more loud on that intake than the other one. Wow. I mean, she took off pretty slow. I have to admit. 1, 2. Wow. Jesus. Woo. She has never been that loud before. That engine screams. Oh my goodness. Yikes. Who wanna race me now? Who wants it? I didn't expect that to be that loud. I mean, it's really loud in here. What the freak, bro? Oh my God. What have I done? I've unleashed the beast. And now I want more power. The problem that I had the misfire with cylinder number 5, was it? It's definitely gone. She has more power than before, I must say. That thing, it put me, I don't know if you guys saw that, but we got it done, ladies and gentlemen, and couldn't be more happy. The G is idling fine, she's running fine. I'm putting her through the paces. Look at that, another G. Hello? But yeah, I'm just seeing if she develops any weird stuff, but no, she feels super smooth. I don't hear nothing weird. Nothing is falling off. No weird noises. But man, that thing open. I mean, you gotta love that whop. If you didn't hear that was whop. My God, man, oh my God. Wow, I mean, it's like, whew, man. Sometimes, goodness gracious. I mean, wow. That thing opens up like, woo wee. My God. She's looking great, man. She's home. I don't know. It says nothing there, my friend. So it must be good. Man. So if you like this episode, please like in this video. I'll tell you some guys. God bless. Stay prayed up.